Please, state your complaint.
He always sounds so official.
Please. State your complaint.
Since when do we have this?
Since today. Hey, Parrot. We don't have all day.
He's got a schedule, apparently.
What are you in such a rush for, Feather Boy?
Crime doesn't wait.
And neither do I.
You hear that? Crime consultant now.
Consultant, witness, motivational speaker. I multitask.
Something all right.
Look, if you're just here to check in, that's fine. I've got no complaint with how you handled it.
Whoa!
That is a complaint.
Oh,
You hear yourself, partner? You're splitting hairs with a parrot.
Hairs, feathers, same thing.
Uh-huh. Well, consider it withdrawn then.
Form A is missing.
You kidding me?
Empty as a bird feeder.
I swear I put the packet back after intake.
Maybe someone pulled it for booking. Or the bird's right and we've got a mystery on our hands.
All radio records. See who signed it out.
He actually said it loud and clear. That's your cue, Dex?
He thinks he's dispatched now. Squawk.
All right, Superstar, anything else for us? Maybe a customer satisfaction report?
Next.
You heard the boss.
Station's fine. Nothing to worry about. We have everything covered.
Unacceptable.
Vibes?
That's the
Vibes
report.
are off, ma'am.
What kind of offense is that exactly?
Felony weirdness, minimum.
You're something else, you know that?
I'm thorough. Evidence attached.
Don't forget to sign it.
Already did. With flair.
Oh my god, with you guys.
No jokes on record.
You hear him? He means it.
Sorry, Sergeant. We'll behave.
I'm trying. You're too serious for us.
Sirius keeps the files clean. Duly noted.
I just wanted attention.
Well, you got it.
That's quite a scene in the lobby for that, huh?
Worked, didn't it? Nobody listens till you squawk.
You're being listened to now, buddy.
Want to snip while you're the star?
You writing this down?
We are.
Good. Needed someone to hear me.
All right, Officer River. 1 complimentary coffee, 2 bagels, no cream cheese. Sign here.
Oh, you're generous today. Let me see. Yep, looks legit.
Best receipt in the city.
Stamping it, and there you go. Much obliged.
Keeps the shift interesting. Paid in full, baby. This place is falling apart.
You hear that? He's got opinions now. Pretty strong ones for a bird. Don't worry, we'll keep it together for you, partner.
Here we
This is
go.
a complaint.
Oh my god, he's
I knew that was coming. Not a fan, huh?
Guess you like your beans roasted different.
Needs a warrant.
Stop it, you're gonna make me spill it.
There.
He's got that thing like it's evidence.
Look at him line it up. Ready?
Noted.
Oh, perfect.
He's serious about his paperwork.
Do we sign under that, or?
I think it's official now.
Yeah, case closed.
I have been promoted.
To what rank, Captain?
Top perch.
Oh, that's perfect.
All right, feathered boss, tell me, who signed off on your promotion, huh?
Me.
No way. Did you hear that? He said it dead serious. You're unbelievable. Guess the paperwork's in order then.
Congratulations, sir.
Don't let it go to your head.
Complaints must include snacks.
Oh, wow. You hear that? New policy.
I can get behind that one.
Guess we're stocking up on granola bars.
As long as they don't complain about the snacks.
Snacks not optional.
Understood, Sergeant.
All right, partner, fresh out of the wrapper. You want a cracker?
Cracker. Square, perforated, minimal seasoning.
He sounds like he's writing a report.
Evidence pending. Smells acceptable.
Go ahead, detective. Give it a taste.
All right, for science. Crunchy, salty, approved.
He likes it.
You see this little attitude?
Can't
Stick
miss
to my
it.
head, lady. Whole situation's a mess.
What mess?
You got fresh fruit, clean perch. Pretty good gig.
And yet nobody refilled the water. Crime of the century.
Oh,
We'll top it off after roll call, promise. I heard that
We're
last
spoiled,
time.
you know that?
Call it well trained.
Customer support is listening.
You can't tell me that isn't the cutest thing you've heard all week.
He even pulled the invisible headset.
You planning on taking calls for us now, buddy?
Long hold times. Terrible.
I heard that. We might actually need
Overtime pay, please.
Negotiator already.
Oh, come on, that's spot on.
He sounds just like the line. I can't with you. You showing off now, huh? Perfect.
But not that important.
So you're telling me you hung up on them?
They were trying to sell car insurance. I can't drive.
Makes sense. You handled it better than most people, honestly.
I handle everything better. I've got feathers for it.
You sure do.
System overload!
Hey, buddy, breathe. What's overloading?
Alarms, lights, voices, can't sort it.
You know the drill. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Data funnel clear. See? Not so bad. Now what set you off?
Spike in server bay. Somebody left the door cracked. Too many complaints.
Here he goes again.
He's doing laps
Too many
now.
complaints.
We hear you, buddy. We hear
All
you.
day, all night.
Welcome to the job.
Maybe he's asking for
Oh,
overtime. All day. Too many. Maybe we there, friend of mine.
Hey, easy now. You're okay. Nobody's upset with you.
You hear that? Just take a breath, little guy. You're safe here.
That's right. You're with friends.
I wasn't trained.
I know. It's all right. We'll figure it out together.
You're doing fine. Just stay with us.
You call that paperwork? I've seen pigeons move faster.
Wow. Already starting in, huh?
Just saying what everyone's thinking.
I'm halfway through the stack, smart guy.
Halfway still slow.
You keep mouthing off, I might put you on night shift.
As long as there's snacks.
You're giving us attitude feathers?
Maybe. Depends who's asking.
It's me, the one with the snacks and the paperwork.
Paperwork's boring. Snacks I like.
Spoiled, you know that?
Smart, not spoiled. Big difference.
Whatever you say, partner. Just chill for a bit, yeah?
Chillin' now. Wake me if anything explodes.
Burnout is real.
Long night, huh?
Files on files, no peanuts.
Sunflower seeds, detective.
This might save the department. Self-care, people.
Noted, partner.
Morale restored.
You see what I see? Whole drawer of snacks just sitting there.
You're not planning a heist, are you?
I wouldn't call it a heist. More like quality control.
You already stole a cracker off my desk this morning.
And it was excellent, which bodes well for the granola bar.
Behave, Feathers. We see that smile.
Well,
Open that. I don't have something good in there.
You're bossy for a bird.
Not bossy, motivated.
Let's see if you're right.
Jackpot,
Snacks, huh?
fat blood, seal wrapper, peanut butter, my favorite.
You're not getting the
Open
whole
the
bar.
bar. Throw over a bite, 2 bites.
You're impossible.
Quality cracker officer.
Getting sleepy, huh?
That's a happy bird.
Still waiting on those lab results, huh? Patience, people.
You sound like a sergeant.
Exactly like him. Well, he says it enough. I pick things up. Smart bird. Brilliant bird.
You ever think about filing a report yourself?
Need a smaller keyboard. We'll work on that.
Thanks for keeping us company, partner. All complaints resolved. Next customer.
You're gonna put us out of a job.
it only works for sunflower seeds.
Sergeant said we're good.
Yeah, case closed.
Copy that. Good team.
All right, what's the verdict, ladies? You finally gonna let me run the briefing?
Oh, boy.
He starts every morning like this.
Give him a second. He's winding up.
I got the voice, the charisma, and I don't need coffee. What more do you want?
Have hands to point at the map.
I'll use my beak.
Precision.
Back on duty, folks. Desk looks the same, though someone moved my sunflower seeds.
We needed the space for paperwork, partner. Good to have you back.
Paperwork. Right. I solve crimes, they shuffle paper. Circle of life. You solve crimes by eating snacks and yelling at suspects. Effective technique, low overhead.
Well, you ready to take statements?
And closed.
Just locked the front desk, huh?
Desk's on break, union rules.
Pretty sure parrots don't have a union.
Guess I'm the founding member.
Lovable menace.
All right, Mr. Lovable, 5 minutes, then we flip it back.
Copy that, boss.
Lock.
Try again tomorrow.
He's not wrong.
You telling the sergeant to call it a night?
That sounds about
Bird's
right.
got better time management than half the squad.
You hear that? He's proud
Smart
of
little
himself.
partner you got there.
Partner.
Yeah, he knows.
All right, Feathers, what's the message?
Bring snacks.
Wow, dead serious, huh?
You heard him. Mission's critical.
Planning a stakeout or a picnic?
Yes.
Guess we'd better stock the break room. I'll grab granola bars on my way in.
Good officers.
He's going for it again.
Let's see if he remembers the switch.
Customer service complete.
Works every time.
Show off.